Hello, Fluent here. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the new Reports feature in Fluent Case. You begin by clicking on your personal profile picture in the upper right corner of your screen and selecting Reports from the list. You will now see a Reports navigation pane where you are presented with 3 different categories of reports: productivity, contacts, and access and security. You can click on the staff productivity in the left navigation pane, and you will have all of your staff listed here. I'm going to clear this out and select my favorite guy, John W. Smith, and I'm going to ask a report filter that starts with 2/1/26 through 2/9/26, and I'm going to be presented with the metrics to include activities created, tasks updated, and tasks completed. I can click my preview button and you will see the counts that are presented here for my user. You will also see that you can download this report as an Excel file. By clicking that button, I now have an Excel file that I can open up. And here you go. We're going to go ahead and do another one of these reports. Here we have tasks per case. And here's all of the different statuses that can be added to the task. So let's go ahead and see what we get for today. And you'll see the 13 different tasks that are currently in the time range here. Again, you can download this and look at it in your Excel spreadsheet. Contacts export. This is a request that has a very useful use case, in my opinion. My use case that's communicated from many law firms has to do with the applicant in referring to referrals. Can you create a list of applicants for me that have an email address and give it to me so that way I can email them? I can email blast them and ask them for referrals. So everyone in this list here has an email address. And again, I can download my document here and then do what I want with it. Lastly, we have the matter access logs. And this will present a report on the staff member or members and the matters that they have accessed. And I'm going to click preview, and you'll see now that in my test firm, I have been clicking around. John W. Smith has been clicking on all of these different matters since 2/1 through today's date. Again, you can download that file and review it in Excel. And always make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the newest videos on feature release updates.